Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to walk you through from start to finish a really cute Father's Day card. Okay, so you'll want to go to svgnation.com and I'll leave the link below in descriptions, and you're able to download all of these cards, and it's pretty cool. It's just in one zip file. So I went ahead and I downloaded it, and I'm going to show you step by step how we upload it and make the card. So let's get started. Okay, so once you've downloaded it to like your desktop, you'll want to open Cricut Design Space, and you'll want to hit Upload Image, Browse, go to where you saved it, and here are the 5 cards. And this one is the one that I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and we're going to upload it. And I like to just select this and press Control C, and then click down here and hit Control V as in Victor. And so now it's down there as well. Then hit Upload. We're going to select it. And you know it's selected because it has a green border. And then we'll hit Add to Canvas. Okay, now we are ready. So let's check this out and see what colors we're going to use. So I'm going to hit Ungroup, and we have white here. And then this kind of looks like an off-white or off-gray. And we have white here. Okay, so we're good to go. That's pretty easy. So all we're going to do is grab the paper, and we're going to hit Make It. So let's go ahead and hit Make It. And let me go ahead and... Now this is something new. I don't know if you guys get this too. Probably it's new, and you can hit Matte or On Card Matte. So I'm going to do Matte. And let's see, so we have white and that. Okay, so let me get the colors and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to hit Continue. Okay, so I'm going to select medium cardstock. And I'm going to leave it as is. And let's go ahead and load the paper. Okay, so the first color is white. So we're going to go ahead and add white to the Cricut mat. And I'm going to put paper, I'm going to put tape in the 4 corners. And then we're going to place it on the Cricut and press the flashing arrow and then the Cricut button. And like I say probably in all my videos, I like to try to reuse the tape. And let's go ahead and get this last piece off. Okay, and then what you do is just wiggle it back and forth if it didn't come off already. Okay, and then we're going to set it aside. Okay, the next color is gray, like a light gray. And since I'm using the same cardstock throughout this project, I don't need to go back to browse and switch papers or anything like that. All I do is just load it on the Cricut, press the arrow button, and then hit Cricut, or hit the C for Cricut. Okay, this one just finished. You're going to press the arrow button and remove the tape. And this card does not need you to score it. Okay. And we'll just turn this upside down and just take that off. Okay, so just wiggle it back and forth. Okay, and then, okay, and the next color is yellow, and you'll always want to kind of just take a glance at Cricut Design Space and just make sure that you're positioning the paper the way that you see it is going to be cut. Okay. And all we have left is blue, and we're done. And this is such a small piece that has to be cut. I just used scraps. I found the color I needed, and that's what I used. And last is blue. And you'll just place it on the Cricut, hit the arrow button, and the Cricut. Okay, so we're gonna turn it upside down and just kind of peel it off, and that we can just take right off. Okay. And let's go ahead and get the weeding tool, and then we can just kind of poke this through and then wiggle. And before, yep, that one just came right out. I don't even think I need the weeding tool for this. But I'll definitely need it like to poke in there if it doesn't come out. Like the little paper that's inside the letter. Okay, so we will definitely use the weeding tool like for the D. And here we'll just poke this out and get a firm grip on it. Okay, and we have to do the A. And the P. And the other P and the A. Okay, so I'll go ahead and finish doing the other one because I don't know how this isn't too difficult, so it's kind of just repetition. I'm just going to poke these out as well, and I will be right back, and then we'll get started on making the card. Okay, so this looks like a pretty easy card to make. What you'll want to do is first just close it and match it up to the beer handle. Okay, you're just gonna give it a crease. Okay, so it'll look just like this. That's pretty easy. And then we're going to add this. Let's go ahead and you'll just want to match it up. So this one goes see, it goes this way, it matches up. So let's go ahead and glue this. I'm going to just use a glue stick. Let's just put a little glue on here and make sure to get the corners. Okay, so then we're going to just match it up. Wait 1 second. Wait, did I just that way? So easy to get confused with all the little circles. Okay, cool. We are going to add the lines and go ahead. Okay, you guys, I'm multitasking and I'm watching the trial as I'm recording this. So I made a mistake. You're supposed to put this down first. So I just kind of pulled this up really quick. And I'm going to just kind of put it like this. You just leave like, I don't know, like 1/2 inch at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do these real quick. So is anybody else watching the trial? Johnny Depp trial? I am so interested in it. Okay. Okay, and let's do this one too. And let me straighten this out a little bit. Let's move it over just a little bit. And last one. Okay. And you're just making sure that they match up at the bottom. And then we're gonna just kind of apply a little glue back here for my little mistake. And I'll just press it down. And you never know that that happened. Okay, so, and just remember too, the glue goes on purple, but it dries clear. So, okay, so now we will go ahead and get the letters out. And in the picture, they have, I had an extra A that came from, well, let me back this up. Okay, so this one actually came right here and it has the star in it. And we're only using this and then the star. You'll see what I'm talking about. So instead of using the original A, I'm going to use the cute A with the little star. So let me go ahead and let's go ahead and apply glue to this. I'll show you what I mean when we get there. So you have an option to do that as well. Okay, so, whoops, need to put that. Okay, we are going to put this right here and we're gonna kind of just even it out. Make sure that that has the white border around that's kind of, you know, easy, like even throughout. As I say that, let's get this over. Okay, then we are going to take the little star and just put that there for the A. Okay. And we're going to do that for the R as well. I got a lot of extra glue on this one. Okay. So I'm going to wipe a little of that up. Let's see. Okay. Then we have the happy. So we have the H-A-P-P-Y. Okay, so H-A-P-P-Y. Okay, so what I was saying is for the happy, it has this A, just a regular A. But I'm going to use the one that came from the father. I think it's cute. So I'm going to do that one instead. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and do the H. And we're just kind of making sure that when we apply it, we're leaving like the same amount of border throughout. Let's do this side of the A. And let's do the P. And I am really getting glue all over me somehow. Okay, so the P. And let's do the other P. And the Y. And that's a lot of glue. Okay. And then we just have the day. And the A and the Y. Okay, so the last thing we have is to glue this on here. So let's go ahead, Just close this so we don't get glue on the back of the card. And then we're going to apply glue. Let me just see how much is going to not need it. Okay, so just like I would say like less than 1/4 of an inch. You won't want to glue. And you know what you could do too, which I just thought of it, is you could use foam tape and have this part be kind of like 3D. And you could do that as well with the foam. So let's see. Isn't that cute? Let me pull this up so you guys can see better. Isn't that cute, you guys? That's so cute. It's so cute. And you know what you could do too, is you could always add pen, like you know, like insert a text and then just make sure that you switch the operation to pen instead of cut, and then make sure you attach it, and you would attach it like right here, so you could have that there too, you know. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed my video. And if you don't already subscribe and you think this channel's for you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get more videos. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.